modified GTI. So we're gonna remove the coil packs. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's these clips here that you have to remove. Usually there's something here you can push back and then it'll lift up. But these on mine are broken. There's only one that's not broken, which is this one. So you'll kind of like push forward like this. Kind of push this up. Yeah, push forward, push back, and kind of wiggle it out. And you'll see that it's disconnecting there. Then you go through same way with these. So take that here. I'll kind of put it on the edge and kind of try to take that out too. So there's a little clip here that lifts up, and then you'll see it's lifted now right there. And you can pull it back. So that's kind of what you'll do on each side. Perfect. So now that they're all off, and you'll see the little tab right there that lifts. You can remove the coil packs. Sometimes they're really tight. So just grab them, pull them out like that. This one gets really difficult because it's on the edge. But and then just another tip. One thing I like to do is I'll take like a flathead or a screwdriver, kind of slip it behind it and kind of use it for leverage. So you'll see right there, it's on the back side of it, going this way, and then just kind of lift up like that. So you'll need a spark plug socket. It should be a 5/8. So I think it's a 16mm socket. One thing to keep in mind if you have a spark plug socket is sometimes there's a rubber grommet like this inside here. I took mine out. You can keep yours in, mainly because I have a magnetic tool that I'm just gonna grab the spark plug with once I get it. So we'll just stick it down. You'll see it's tight, and you'll unscrew the spark plug. Spark plug shouldn't be in too tight, so shouldn't be hard taking it out, but sometimes it can be. This is the magnetic tool I was speaking about. Just put it down the hole and grab the spark plug. Now look at it, the spark plug. It's not horrible. It's actually in decent shape, but it is the cheap spark plug. It's actually auto light, which is AutoZone. So yeah, hopefully she runs a lot smoother once I get this changed out to NG case. Alright, and this is what I'll be using here. They call these the R8 Coil Packs. The Coil Packs itself doesn't really make a difference, I believe, to the actual performance of the car. So I don't think this really increases anything. But it's a nice red accent. I thought it would go pretty well with my couple of there. And they was cheap, they weren't that much money. So I got 4 of these spark plugs as well, and I'll show you the part numbers on those too. Got spark plugs as well, right here on top. So go ahead and change them out. So the way I like to do it, drop the spark plug down, then you might have to get like a screwdriver so it won't stay on. But this is the way I like to do it. You can absolutely use the spark plug socket, which comes with the grommet. You can definitely use that. That way you don't have to try to do it this way, but I just prefer it this way. One thing you could do as well is spark plug boot protection. So you'll actually take this here and you'll put it on right here through here, and then kind of spread it along. You don't need much, and then just kind of spread it along here. So now that each spark plug is in, we're supposed to torque it down to 20 pounds. Or, well, really it's like 18 point something. I'm going to torque it down to like 20. Because my torquements may not be as accurate as some of the other ones. First thing, go ahead and just tighten them by hand first. Next up is the coil pack. Go ahead, slide those in. Give a nice push down. Now with all four of those locked down, go ahead and just kind of make sure you lock in each one of these. Mines may not clip in because they're a little broken. Kind of give them a push. Make sure there's no seam in between each one. You can see that one's broken right there, but it'd be fine. Probably could just probably like dip something in there if you want it, in those little holes, if you want it to be secure, but I haven't had a problem since. So we'll go ahead and give it a start. Right up. Simple job. Please like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.